So it is finally here, commission-free trading of US stocks in New Zealand. But is there a catch? And this is what we're going to find out in this video. Hi everyone, my name is Hank, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the online trading platform Stake. Stake is an online trading platform for trading US company stocks and ETFs. And they include companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, and all the big companies. I'll be going over the type of account that they have on offer and who it's most suitable for, the fees, which is the main important thing, and other features of the platform, and whether it is suitable for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First off, we're going to be looking at the types of account that they have on offer. Now, Stake offers more than 3,500 different stocks and ETFs available on the US market for trade. And the great thing is it gives you exposure to gold, silver, oil, and many other different commodities. They also have leverage ETFs, inverse ETFs, and also ETFs that tracks the volatility of the stock index, and many other financial products. Now, if you have absolutely no idea what those terms are, don't worry too much, just leave a comment down below and I'll make a video talking about those as well. Stake has partnered with the US online broker DriveWealth, similar to Hatch Invest, and under US financial laws, you are insured up to $500,000 of your investments. For the Stake starter account, you can have access to unlimited free trades. You can trade in fractional shares, which means that you don't have to buy an entire share if the cost of an entire share is really expensive. And you can only have market orders only, which means that you have to buy the price that the market is currently at. For the Stake Unlimited account, you also have access to unlimited free trades. You also trade in fractional shares, but this time you can set limit orders for your trades, which means that you can set a buy limit for you to buy the share at a certain price and a sell limit. For the Stake Black account, you need to have a balance of more than 30,000 US dollars in it. And the main benefit of it is you can do day trades on unsettled funds, which are funds that hasn't been completely cleared yet. Stake Unlimited will cost you $9 US per month and is free until July 2020. And Stake Black is going to cost you $19 US per month, and same thing is going to be free until July 2020. Signing up is extremely easy and can be done completely online if you have a New Zealand driver's license. And you can get authenticated within 5 minutes. If you don't have a New Zealand driver's license, you might need to manually contact Stake to send in your ID details. So let's talk about the big selling point here, which are the fees. So there's no trading fee, there's no inactive fee, and there's no custody fee for Stake. Now, how does Stake actually make their money? So they make money through 3 different ways. First one is from their different account type fees. So for the basic account, it is free. And for the unlimited account type, it's $9 per month. And for their Stake Black account, it's $19 per month. They also charge a foreign exchange commission when you add money to your account. And the amount is about 1% of the money that you put in. So when you put in 1,000 New Zealand dollars, there's around a $6 US fee for exchanging the money. So this goes both ways. So it's 1% transferring into US dollars and 1% converting from US dollars back to New Zealand dollars. One important thing to notice here is that they have a regular and express foreign exchange service. So the regular service is free, but the express service will charge you a commission to exchange your money quicker. Now, from my experience, the regular service takes up to 3 days for your funds to appear, and the express service could take about 1 to 2 days. The third way that Stake makes money is they get an interest earned on the cash that you have deposited in your account, and that's not used to buying a particular stock. There is also a one-time $5 US tax form fee, and you also have a fee of $2 when you do your withdrawals to convert from US dollars back to New Zealand dollars on top of your exchange fee. Overall, their fee structure is very transparent, and they'll give you the summary of your fees before every transaction that they make. And I'll also put a link below to all the fees that they charge. So some other features that Stake has. So they have a mobile app that you can use to buy and sell your stock. So the mobile app is relatively basic and easy to use. So you can look up the individual stocks and add them to your watch list. You can see their past price performance and have a basic chart option, but you can't do complex chart setups or draw any technical lines or do any technical analysis. So if you want to do that, you will need to find a different program or website. Now, one of the things that I will recommend you to use is ShareSite, and the other one is TradingView. They're both really good platforms that can use to monitor your portfolio. Now, one thing to note is that your free account does not allow you to set your limit buy and your limit sell orders. And fractional shares are also not available if you set your limit buy and limit sell orders. So when you set a limit buy or limit sell, you have to purchase the full share by itself, which may be an issue because some shares cost quite a lot if you want to buy the entire share. For example, an Amazon share costs more than 1,000 US dollars as of today. So fractional shares might be a better option for you to purchase in those shares. So should you be using Stake? Now, Stake gives you a really easy way to give exposure to commodities such as gold, silver, and oil through the exchange-traded funds, which are these funds that you can purchase on the Stake platform. It is possibly the easiest way for you to get exposure to commodities. Stake is also really good if you want to do multiple trades or you want to trade reasonably often. For example, if you want to do multiple trades within the day, or if you want to hold a particular stock only for a couple of days and then buy and sell it again. Now, how does it compare to Hatch Invest in terms of fees? Hatch recently has lowered their fees to $3 per transaction for buying and selling a particular stock. Now, while that's already really good from their previous cost of $8, you still can't really compare it to the commission-free trading of Stake. So if you really want to do multiple trades, Stake might be the better option for you. Stake is also useful if you don't want to get charged an international wire transfer fee all the time. For example, if you use Interactive Brokers or TD Ameritrade or First Trade, you will get charged a wire transfer fee when you transfer into or out of those brokers. So Stake goes around that by charging you a percentage fee every time that you do wire transfer. The amount might be less significant when you are transferring one large sum, but for most people, when they're only looking to transfer a little bit every month or every couple of weeks, Stake is possibly the better option there. To sign up to stake, you can use my link included in the description down below to sign up. And if you fund your account within the first 24 hours after signing up, you can get a free stock of GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike. And I have included a founder's code if it asks for that. Needless to say, I'm extremely excited about having a no commission trading platform for trading US stocks available in New Zealand. And I really think that this is something that's sorely been missing for a very long time. And what I'm gonna do is in the future videos, I'll be doing comparisons between stake and hatch. And I'm also going to be looking at individual US stocks and doing stock analysis on those stocks. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.